Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm here with my friend of the CIB, I think it's called. I need to check again, but yeah, let me tell him it's on. Because he doesn't know I'm recording right now, so just gotta inform him, you know? It's the CBI. Oh yeah, the CBI. Intro. Oh, the intro I just edit the intro in. It doesn't like go over the, you know what I mean. Well, you guys know what I mean, I think. I just say yes. Hi, YouTube. I'm just gonna say that to you guys because I love you guys very much. You hear noises in the background like a. I don't know how it's gonna sound, but that's because I'm on Discord on my computer. So yeah, guys, how's it going? Tell us in the comments how are you doing right now because I'm so bored. I need someone to talk to. You know what? How about we call up my friend and we could talk to her? She's a great person to talk to. So guys, I'm gonna get right back with you guys once I get a friend to talk to. I'll see if I can. Oh, it's still recording. Alright guys, I'm back. I couldn't find anyone to talk to. I'm so sad, okay? I'm so depressed. I'm just playing with you guys. Alright. Yep. Why are you saying bye? Oh god, I don't know how to spell. Oh my god, I swear. I'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm back. Yeah. YouTube didn't see how the fence works. So again, we're gonna tell him to show it again because YouTube didn't see it. The video was the video was paused. Okay, I'm sorry. Well, I was recording. It was. We just say it was paused. Alright, we just told him it's on. The recording is on. He can start to show us the basics and stuff like that. He just said, "Hi, YouTube," all over again. Yeah, guys, how you doing? How you been doing? Tell me, have you been inside? Tell me, have you been inside the comments, girl or boy? The majority of the people that watch my videos are boys. Sorry, girls. I can't. It's according to you know. I'm with my friend Cool Moon. Blah 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 blah. Shooting range. Right, first, guys. So listen up. He's showing us the first step right now to his shooting range. Make a line of fences of 3 out of 4. Or maybe you can make it your own length. Okay. Then keep a fence up at the top over here. Then the same process for the other side. Okay. I mean, that you did on the other side. Okay. After that, place a seat right here. Done. And then you want to place the shooting range right over here, where he's going to put it in just a second. I want you guys to see this. Just so you guys can make your own shooting range one day, and you ever have a cop gang, whatever, it doesn't really matter. It doesn't have to be a cop gang, you know. But, sure, I don't really care. Keep a damage tester. Alright, a feature. I hope you guys are listening to what he's saying. He's explaining this all to us. The shooting range is complete. Thank you guys for watching. Bye, YouTube. Bye. If you did enjoy this short video, then please like, subscribe, and comment saying you liked the video, because I want to see them comments. I need comments, okay? I need so many comments to the point where I can't even go to the bottom of my comments, okay? So, guys, if you did enjoy the video, please like, subscribe, and do all that other goody stuff, and I'll see you guys later. Bye. You thought I was done? No, 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 no. Dun, 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 dun.